Most people are waiting for AI to tell them what the future looks like. I decided to build my own. I used AI to build my own system. I created AI agents, generated videos, images, and tools through my own Windows system. No big company, no special access, no excuses. That's the point. People are paying for Runway, Kling, Pika, Luma, HeyGen, VO, and every new AI video platform that pops up. And I respect the technology, but I wanted to understand the machine for myself. Not just click buttons, not just use templates, not just wait for somebody else's platform to tell me what I can and cannot create. AI is not just for coders, corporations, or Silicon Valley. AI is for anybody willing to sit down, learn, test, fail, adjust, and build. The people saying it's impossible are usually the same people who never even tried. That is the problem. Everybody wants access, everybody wants results, but not everybody wants to learn the system. I did not want to just rent the tool. I wanted to understand how the tool works. That is where power is. Because once you understand the system, you stop being dependent on the platform. You stop waiting for permission. You stop thinking small. AI is not magic. AI is a weapon for people who are willing to learn. It does not replace discipline. It does not replace taste. It does not replace judgment. It does not replace execution. It multiplies what you already bring to the table. If you are lazy, AI will not save you. But if you're focused, AI can make you dangerous. So no, I'm not scared of AI. I'm studying it. I'm building with it. I'm using it. Because the future is not waiting, and neither am I. Street Smart Business.